In the next lection we create this awesome highway scene, so for that please prepare some of the models you will use for that yourself with the techniques you have learned in the last lections. You know already, when you have a multiple spline path sheet like this, you can extract each of the models you want. So with holding down the shift key you can select each of the splines here, like so, and with Ctrl X I cut it out. Now I can delete the rest, and with Ctrl V I paste it in. With the shortcut Alt G I group this and bring this inside of a extrude NURBS object. I enable hierarchical. For the extrusion I use again 38 centimeters. I think that's okay here. Alright, I open the group and select all the objects. With a right click this menu comes up, and here I choose Connect Objects and Delete. Alright, and then you know we have a single polygon object. I rename this to truck. Okay, now I enable the polygon mode, and with the move tool, you know, with a double click we can select multiple polygons, as you can see it here, and with the delete key we can delete it. And when you have finished this work and you have something like this maybe, I will show you here some more things you can do. At first please select and then delete the phone tag. Now I select my object, and here I can find the polygon reduction object, choose it and bring it underneath your polygon object. I choose here for the strength maybe 20%, like so. Okay, nothing have changed in the moment, as you can see it here, but now I choose in addition to that the displacer object, this one. I bring this inside this hierarchy, like so. Okay, now I click on the shading tab, and now I choose under the shader the noise shader. I click on the objects tab and reduce the strength here a bit, like so, and now look at that. This brings our paper object here to life, because now it looks like more irregular and not so clean as it looks before. And that's exactly what I want here. Okay. Before you save now this model inside of your content browser, please make some more things. So for that I select here all the objects, like so, and you know, with a right click this menu comes up, and here I choose again Connect Objects and Delete. Now I have a single polygon object, and then as always you know, please take a look where the axes are. So the axis should be on the ground and not here up in the air, so please keep that in mind. Alright, when this is finished you can save your model. Alright, and in the next lection we create now a scene like this. See you then, bye.